Hey everybody, Lou Santiago here. Today I want to talk to you about Strutmasters. Now, I know what you're thinking. Strutmasters does kits that actually take out the factory air suspension and replaces it with struts. That's not all they do. They're going into the 1-ton dually market and the 3/4 truck market with a vengeance with air ride assist. You tow a lot with your vehicle and the ass end of the truck is dragging. They make an air system where you can actually bolt it in the truck and it raises it up so it's level. And the reason why you want your truck level when you're towing some stuff is because it's safer. Because when the back of the truck is dragging like that, it ain't cool. What you're doing in reality is taking the weight off the front wheels, which makes it more difficult to steer, which makes it harder to stop. So what they've come up with is a 100% bolt-in air assist system for your crew cab dually, which is or a 1-ton truck, or a 3/4 ton truck. If you want to do half-ton, you can, but you need to make sure that with that half-ton, you're not overloading it with something crazy like a 4-horse trailer, because I've seen people do that, and it's really dangerous. So here we go with the kit. This kit is 100% bolt-in. Here's the tools you're going to need for this kit. It comes with the airlines. It comes with the cutter for the airlines. The gauge goes inside. The gauge, when you start the truck, it tells you the voltage that the alternator is putting out. 14, 5, 15, whatever it is. Then it switches to the air pressure that's in the tank while the tank is filling up if it needs to. If there's air left over in the tank, it's going to give you a reading of what air is left in the tank while it fills up. It has everything. It has the fuse. It has the circuit breaker. It's got the sensors. All the fittings are DOT approved, which is cool because they're the quick release fittings. That's what you want. It's nice. Everything is brass. Doesn't corrode as bad. All the wiring. This little air chuck here, what this does, it goes wherever you want it. You can put it on the side. You can put it in the back. Some kits, depending on the kit you order, you can get it where it's just you put air in the system. It won't have a compressor, but you can fill it up. There's a Schrader valve for that. If you have the one with the air compressor, you can actually use this to fill boat tires, whatever you need. Someone's got a flat on the side of the road. You can pull out your air hose. Psh, you got air. You're good to go. In a minute, I'm going to come back and talk to you about the rest of the kit, the meat and potatoes. Hope you guys enjoyed your little tour of Strutmasters, but we're back on our air system. This is what we've got. This is all the hardware, all the bracketry. This goes on the rear end. Everything's ready to go. All the hardware is grade A. It all has nylocks on it. This way, you don't have to worry about using Loctite or say lock washers. It's all ready to go, right? All the plates are cut. Everything's good. Now, here's one thing that's really important. When you open up your box from Strutmasters to view your air system, you're going to get directions in it. They're actually going to come like this, right? Open it up. You have detailed instructions on what you need to do and where you need to put it, because everything has been fitted to fit your application. If you've got a Ford truck, that system is designed to fit your Ford truck. If you've got a Chevrolet, it's designed to fit your Chevrolet truck. So keep that in mind. Use your directions. If you run into trouble, you can call Strutmasters. All of the people in the back there, they're going to answer the phone. They speak English. They do have a couple of people that speak Spanish. But the other thing that's important is they understand the systems. So if you get a woman on the phone, don't think she doesn't know. She probably knows more than you. So keep that in mind. And if they don't know, they can get someone that does, and they'll get that person in a timely manner. They get your name, your phone number, all the information they need. If something happens and you're on your cell phone and it dies, they can call you back. That's what's important. Customer service is not dead at Strutmasters. So like I said, all the hardware is grade A. You'll get new shocks. Now remember something, you want this truck to ride like a Cadillac, so you might have to take a couple leaf springs out to give you that ride. So once you have all that done, be careful when you're doing the leaf springs. They can be dangerous. It comes with everything. These are all your brackets. This is your tank. These are your sending units. Again, you got a pop-off valve and all your DOT approved connections. These are your mounting plates with the bags. Double bellows bags, you're good to go. Again, I cannot impress upon you. You have the tools right here. I moved the tools over from the beginning to the end to let you know that these are the tools you need to do the job, because they've taken all the engineering guesswork out of this. Something else that's really important in today's day and age, Strutmasters, American-made kit. Everything's done right here in North Carolina. Lou Santiago, call them if you need them, order your kit, all popular makes, brands, and models. Boom! Have a nice day.